Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and stowed positions, your seat belts are securely fastened, and all of your carry-on items are securely stowed. Federal aviation regulations require customers to comply with the lighted customer information signs, other posted signs, and crew member instructions. Please observe the fasten seatbelt and other lighted signs until they have been turned off by the captain. The no smoking sign will remain illuminated for the duration of the flight, and smoking is prohibited throughout the cabin and in the lavatories. All lavatories are equipped with smoke detection systems, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying these systems. If you are seated next to an emergency seat, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you for your attention. We will be airborne shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ben and I'm your chief flight attendant. On behalf of Captain Z and the entire crew, welcome aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 123, nonstop service from St. Louis to Chicago, and then continuing on to New York. Our flight time will be just under an hour, and we'll be flying at an altitude of 36,000 feet and at a ground speed of 270 miles per hour. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to direct your attention to the television monitors. We'll be showing our safety demonstration and would like the next few minutes of your complete attention. When the seatbelt sign illuminates, you must fasten your seatbelt, inserting the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift up the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seat belt fastened throughout the entire flight, as we may experience turbulence. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft: forward, in the back, and over each wing. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you toward the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide, which may also be detached and used as a life raft. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. In the event of a decompression, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask toward you, place it firmly over your nose and mouth, secure the elastic band behind your head, and breathe normally. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to the mask. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask first and then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. A life vest is located in a pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist, and adjust at the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord, only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention. Also, your seat bottom cushion can be used as a flotation device. Pull the cushion from the seat, slip your arms up into the straps, and hug the cushion to your chest. At this time, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories is prohibited by law. You will find this and all the other safety information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. We wish you an enjoyable flight. This is the in-flight beverage service announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, and you may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while you're seated. In a few moments, the flight attendants will be passing around the cabin to offer you hot or cold drinks and a snack. Alcoholic drinks are also available at a nominal charge. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you. This is the descent. Ladies and gentlemen, as we start our descent, please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position. Make sure your seat belt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just been cleared to land at Chicago O'Hare Airport. Please make sure one last time that your seatbelt is securely fastened. The flight attendants are currently passing around the cabin to make a final compliance check and to pick up any remaining cups and glasses. Thank you. Landing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago O'Hare Airport. Local time is 11:30 and the temperature is 32 degrees. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will indicate that we have parked at the gate and it is safe for you to move about. Please check around your seat for any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you, and please use caution when opening the overhead bins as heavy articles may have shifted around during the flight. If you require deplaning assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. One of our crew members will then be pleased to assist you. On behalf of Southwest Airlines and the entire crew, I'd like to thank you for joining us on this trip, and we are looking forward to seeing you on board again in the near future. Have a nice day.